Hello, my name is Bogdan Damnjanović and this is how my engineering journey started at Johnson Electric. I hold a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering with a focus on machine construction and development. And I am currently completing my master's studies. My career at Johnson Electric began as an intern in the tool shop, where I gained my first real industrial experience. Working in a modern, well-equipped tool shop showed me how engineering ideas turn into precise tools and solutions that directly support production. After my internship, I continue as junior engineer in the tool shop. Each day brings new challenges, from understanding manufacturing process to taking ownership of real engineering tasks. What I value most about Johnson Electric is the environment, which is supportive and driven by continuous improvement. Surrounded by knowledgeable colleagues and advanced technology, I am constantly learning, developing my skills, and growing as an engineer. I strongly recommend professional practice, as it plays a key role in bridging the gap between theory and real engineering work. Johnson Electric offers an excellent opportunity to learn, supported by strong mentorship and clear paths for long-term development. I'm really proud to be part of the company where engineering truly comes to life.